Alright, today we got a 2008 Nissan Rogue, and we're going to be changing the driver's side outer tie rod. Not a real big deal. What we've got here is a 22 lock nut here and a 14 here. What I'm going to do is crack this loose first. Just a little bit. These are a little rough to get loose with the wrenches up in this space. So what I tend to do is take a propane torch or a MAP gas torch and heat this nut up just a little bit, give it a little expansion so I can crack it loose just a hair, and then we're going to bust this end loose here, and we'll just unscrew our tie rod so we really don't throw the alignment off too much. The set screw here should keep the setting as far as where the outer tie rod screws up to it. So I'm going to put a little heat to this and crack this loose, and I'll be right back. Alright, I've cracked this nut loose here. We don't want to loosen this up a whole lot. Just want to back it off of the tie rod itself, just so we can spin that tie rod out of there. And we're going to pop this one off here. Hopefully this will come right off. Doesn't want to come off there real friendly, but it is starting to come out of there. I'll get this loose and I'll be right back. Alright, we got this nut off here, and that is ready to come right out. And all we're going to do is unscrew our tie rod in right off of our inner. I sprayed a little penetrating oil in there because it's trying to stick just a little bit. And these inner ones have just a minimal amount of play in them. They're still pretty sturdy. This outer one here is just worn out. It's got a bunch of play in it. So we're going to go on the other side, do the other one just like this, take this off, and I'll be back when I'm going to put this back together. Alright, so here we are back with our new tie rod. And it's just a matter of threading this on here. Bit off. That's all right. Yeah. So snug this up just a little bit for the time being. What I want to do is get this bottom end here into our hole here. Tighten that up. Let me put this in here and I'll be right back. All right, there we have it. Got our tie rod in here, and these may come with different type of nuts and studs. Some of them will have a hole going through the top. It'll have a castle nut with a cotter pin. These have this this thread locking insert inside of the nut, so it's not going to back off. And we just tightened up our nut here, which again is a size 22. And the factory one that I took off of here is a 14. This is an aftermarket part from AutoZone, so it's a 17. But yeah, I'm going to throw the wheels back on here and send it out the door. And that is that. I noticed this too. Also got this busted. Well, maybe that'll be for another video. Yeah, if this helped you out any, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me. And I'll see you on the next one.